Hi, this is from Sose University. This is a job opening for the technology, Macropace technology. The location is Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. The experience need is minimum 3 to 4 years of experience as database administrator with MSSQL and possibly SQL. Performance tuning management and backup BR application is a plus. And the second technology is Microsoft SQL Database Administrator for the company GenNext India Private Limited. The location is Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. The certification of SQL must have experience of working in 4 major e-government projects with good experience as a DBA is required. The third technology is Senior Oracle Application DBA for the company Zigsaw. The location is Pune, Maharashtra. The responsibilities they are looking for performance, daily health checks, and production environment, identifying and performance bottleneck and working on fixing them. Regular DBA support using tools like Serena and ServiceNow is required, and good knowledge in latest version of Oracle databases such as Business Suite architecture and components like 19C, 12C, 12.12, and EBS, and etc. The experience needed is 10 plus years of Oracle experience is needed. The fourth technology is MSSQL-DB administration for the company Mindtree. The location is Bangalore. They are looking for the location Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kochi, and Kolkata. They're looking for 5 to 8 years of experience candidate. The skills must be MS SQL DBA, performance tuning, PowerShell, developer knowledge is a must. And job description is proven Microsoft specialist with SQL DBA experience for at least 6 years. The fifth technology is Senior SQL Database Administrator for the company entity. The location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu. The roles and responsibilities are the position requires an employee to translate high complexity business requirements into functional requirements and throughout the technical expertise like translate requirements into technical solution. The links will be given in the video description for these jobs. You can apply it directly. Please subscribe to the Sose University channel for the more job details. Thank you.